Welcome to Hindsight Fitness and Wellness.
Hey everyone, welcome to this Hindsight Fitness and Wellness workout. We're gonna do a full body weight workout, so no weights are needed, no dumbbells are needed. A yoga mat is optional. Please keep your water bottle close by. As usual, check with your medical doctor before starting any workout program. And we're gonna have our previews here, our timer here, and that is basically it. So we're gonna start our warm up in a sec. See you soon. Welcome. This is the beginner's workout. This is the get off the couch workout. This is the get it done workout. We are simply just gonna do very basic steps for 14 days to take us from zero to in a gym, working out, feeling confident. So basically we're gonna start off with a nice warm up today. We're gonna start off with an easy jog, just understanding how to warm your body up. And then the following days, we're gonna continue to build on what we've learned. So warm up is the key. Again, this is just some motivation. It's not going to burn you out today unless you wanna do it several times. You can always follow Mr. Advance here if you wanna have an additional challenge, but you can follow me if you're starting off. We're gonna go in 10 seconds for a nice, easy jog. All right, let's go. 30 seconds go, 20 seconds rest. We have 14 exercises. Some are gonna be really easy, some are gonna be nice and challenging, but all are gonna be doable. We have 10 seconds on the clock. And rest. All right, nice work. So up next, we're gonna do some arm circles, just warming up our shoulders. We're gonna do 15 seconds forward, 15 seconds back. Nice and easy. This is simply it. We're gonna go in 5 seconds. So in 3, 2, 1, and go. So palms down, 15 seconds forward. Then we're gonna do palms up, 15 seconds back. In 3, 2, 1, and take it back. And rest. All right, nice work. If you want, you can jog it out between the rest period just to keep your heart rate up. But up next, we're simply gonna do trunk hugs. Trunk hugs, we're gonna switch arms each side, or each time we go up top. So left hand, right hand, just warming up our shoulders and upper back, and let's go for it. Nice and easy. And again, if you wish, you can still jog on the spot, raise that heart rate up, warm your body up, but keep it going. Nice and easy. Ten seconds to go. Nice work. Okay, great. Up next, we are gonna just jog on the spot and throw some punches. Nice and easy, very easy. We're just gonna throw punches. Again, warming ourselves up, our shoulders up, raising our heart rate. We're gonna go in 3, 2, go at your own pace. You can slow it way down, slow it down, or you can speed it up. It's up to you. All right, perfect. Rest up. Up next, we're gonna actually head down to the floor. We're gonna do some lateral leg raises. So get comfortable on the floor. If you need a mat, you can pause the video, grab a mat, but a mat is definitely optional. We're gonna do leg raises, getting as high as our legs can go. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, and go for it. 30 seconds on one side. Just warming up our hips, warming up our glutes. This is definitely gonna help you avoid a lot of unnecessary injuries. It's really good prevention. All right, almost there. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, cool. I can guarantee that it's gonna burn a little, but it'll be completely fine. All right, we're gonna go in 10 seconds on the next leg. In 3, 2, 1, and go for it. One side is gonna be way tighter than the next. Don't worry about it. Just take your time, go through the movement. Go as high as your legs and hips will allow. We have another 5 seconds on the clock. Nice work. Still on the floor. Up next, we're gonna do climbs. So think about the fetal position, bringing your knees closer to your chest, laying on the side, heels together, and we're just gonna bring our knees apart and down. We're gonna do that in 3, 2, 1, and go for it. So again, get those knees up, heels together. Climbs. Warming up your hips again, warming up your glutes. Just 10 seconds to go. Once again, ignore the burning. Keep it up. Nice work. Okay, great. We're gonna switch sides. Heels together, knees up, laying on your side. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, and go for it. Five, perfect. All right, we're still on the floor. We're doing donkey kicks. Donkey kicks, so we're gonna start on our left leg. Imagine bringing your knee to your chest, kicking all the way up, 90-degree angle with your knees and legs. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, and go in and out. Ten seconds. Nice work. Right. Go for donkey kicks on our right leg. We're gonna go in 10 seconds. Knee to chest, kick all the way back. Find your balance. Hands about shoulder width apart. Again, one side is gonna be stronger than the next. Just focus, be strong, keep it going. Perfect. Ooh, ashy knees. Okay, great. Up next, we are gonna do squat and, no. We are doing lunge and arm swings. We're gonna do lunge and arm swings just on the spot, sprinting it out. Just gonna be here in a lunge, throwing our elbows back, and then at the 15-second mark, we're gonna switch. So let's go for it. Throwing those elbows back. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Almost there. Perfect, nice. All right, up next, we are gonna do a high knee march. So we're simply just walking on the spot, driving our knee as high as possible. If you can get on the balls of your feet, that's awesome, that's perfect. We're just gonna drive our knees up. We're gonna do that in 3 seconds. And let's go. All the way up, drive up, drive up. All right, so 10 seconds to go. This is the second last exercise for the day. Keep it going. Nice work. And lastly, we're gonna do an inchworm into a cobra. So I'm gonna show you 2 options. We have the advanced option here, and we also have the beginner's option, where we can just start on the wall. We're gonna walk our way up and push our chest into the floor and walk down. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go for it. Walking all the way up. Two, 1, and rest. All right, nice work. All right, perfect everyone. That is it for today. Stay tuned, check with us tomorrow. We're doing core, so we're just gonna strengthen our core slowly and easily, trust me. See you tomorrow, enjoy, have a good day, and drink well, eat well, sleep well. Have a good one.
Hindsight, how you feeling?
Welcome to Hindsight Fitness and Wellness.